Hi, this is Master Ken. The Prime Minister Ismail Sabri announced 1,500 minimum wages on the 1st of May. So I have talked about it in many aspects since on the last Saturday, which is the 19th March. And if you go on Google, you can find that in YouTube there are also similar topic, but none of them talk about how to calculate exactly the change. So I find this is an opportunity, and so the impact on the minimum 1,500 wages. Now, how do you calculate the overtime? There is a formula, and there's a table for you to follow. This is the table. This is important because that so the first 4 hours of the overtime rate are actually a calculation based on the basic rate, the minimum wages. So if you have if you were previously paid less than 1,500, it will have an impact on your overtime. And then, what is the formula? This is the formula: hour rate basic pay per of pay, and then times 1.5. That is your hour rate. So I recall that in the past that I work in this the bank's no longer exists, right? It's called Ban Heng Lee. It's a unit trust company when I first started working, and I find a very interesting work behavior is that the staff, they actually, no, I mean, they really work hard. I mean, they're non-stop also. They're processing the redemptions of the unit trust, and that time I don't know what is a unit trust. I was like, but anyway, every day the back office without fail will need to do overtime, and they will have a meal allowance after the work times, like maybe 5 o'clock. Then they start to so rest and have a meal time, and then they will continue to work from 8 to 10, something like that, and then that's about it, right? And they are dragging to the max for another 2 hours of overtime, and that's something that I look at that. Okay, so that is working on Monday to Friday, and they do work Saturday. So that is work day, the normal day, the normal rate. So the overtime pay on work day is 1.5. Okay, so that is on that hourly rate. Okay, you divide that. That is on the work day. So if it's on rest day, will be one, so normal rate. So again, times that. If you work half of that, so you come on Saturday, let's say Saturday is your rest day, you Saturday is your rest day, and then you come here and work for maybe 2 hours on Saturday. You still get paid half of your normal day pay. Okay, and as for if you work more than half, more than 4 hours, then you get paid double on the rest day, on the Saturday, or maybe Sunday. Okay, so that's the one. And then what's the rest day? It's comprised of one whole day, midnight to midnight. It's not a paid date. Oh, Okay, so this is another one according to the Employee Act 1955. So if you not exceed half, you got a half of the ordinary rate. Half, half. That is like this. Now, if you have more than half, then but does not exceed that, you get a 1 day wages rate. So it's kind of a bit contradictory to what this says. So you got to check with the employer expertise. And there is another example how to calculate it. Okay, on a Sunday, ordinary rate per day, you can divide by 26 day, and then you get the daily rate, 57. So if your salary is 1,500, and overtime will be this. So that's great. Now you have this basic idea. Now let's look at this. So how does it impact the company? So on the overtime rate. So now before that, this employee is paid 1,234, and now with the new implementation law, so we can change it to 1,500. So everything remains the same, but the difference is that on a particular Sunday, a Saturday, a rest day, they get paid additional 5 ringgit and 12. Okay, I'm not sure how much is it. I'm not sure how it's the impact to you, but now you know at least that this is the figure you want to consider. So, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then here we have again 1,500. So let's say that the company actually still really work more than that. So we get 1 day. Okay, so okay, still 21 again, 56. That's because you do a division of that. So how about if you ask somebody to work exceeding 8 hours on a rest day? So 1,500 is still a 21.56% of the increase, and that is an additional of 15 ringgit 35. Although you see the increment is very large, but actually it's only 15 ringgit. It's less than a meal in McDonald's or KFC. Close to, yeah. So hopefully that this help you to understand how is that impact the Malaysia small SME industry. Is it really what the MEF says? So it will kill the small businesses with 1,500? I leave it to you for your judgment. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to know more, you can learn. You can join my online course on Excel for Strategic HR. Okay, this course will talk about more, not just about the minimum 1,000 features. It talk about prorated ages, attrition rate, and so much more. Succession planning, and they just have so much more to talk about. So do get in touch with me. Thank you. God bless you. God bless Asia.